lazy. What up?
What it?
Dang, this shit is muddy.
Yeah.
What the hell?
My D.
It's my D.
So today we are going to be fixing my girlfriend's car because she's at work and she needs this shit done. So this fan does a little bit of a wobble, as you can see. So it's pretty toasted. So the agenda for today is replace it. About as simple as that. Yeah, she's been driving the 4Runner for the last few days, and it's not ideal because
Gas.
gas, spendy and guzzling, a bag pump. We have the replacement unit inside.
Take me to your unit.
I'm about to show you my brand new unit. I'm about to show you my Tong Yang.
Tong Yang unit?
Yeah, this is my Tong Yang.
Why is this so fucking big?
Because it's the whole shroud and everything.
I was waiting for a dick joke.
Oh.
Cool unit.
I guess we'll bust open this fucking big Tong Yang. Damn, nice unit. Nice unit. How many dollars do you want to bet that nut is loose on cat?
On cats?
Yeah.
$10.
$10.
What else would be the problem? Where's the bearing? Where's the fan bearing?
See, I literally like, fuck it. We'll just replace it no matter what. Goodbye, puppy dog.
Goodbye, puppy.
It's pretty simple. All right, I'm gonna go get some tools. Start moving shit out of the way. Check this out.
Oh god. That's disgusting.
Nah, it's fine, dude. Oh wait. Oh! It's like a little face. It's like his nose. Wow.
Looks like Mickey Mouse kind of.
Dude, is that Tong Yang?
That's him.
This is Tong Yang right there.
First thing we gotta do is take off this coolant tank, overflow tank thing. What is it? Is that? Oh, is this wiper fluid?
Nah, that's coolant.
Coolant. That's a bad motherfucker.
Way down yonder on a Chattahoochee, it's under the hoochie. Okay, so I think it's just 2 bolts on that side, and then it like slides out.
Yeah, we could just look over here and see.
Yep.
One bolt there, one bolt there. How much was the Tan Yang?
Tan Yang? I don't know, it was like $60 or something like that. Damn, AC lines are dumb and stupid, and I don't like that about them. That's a hard reach.
Maybe I can reach it.
Give the boy a chance. Pop socket holder? That's crazy.
Let me get it.
Fuck. Oh, exhausts are hot, dude. Did you know that? That's
Why is it hot?
the car was running.
For 1 second?
Yeah, but how long do you think it takes for an exhaust to get hot?
Like 5 minutes?
No way, dude. Not a header. Okay, here. Good.
Yeah, that's hot.
Huh?
That's hot.
Yeah.
It's what we like to call a non-crucial nut.
And yeah, this is a non-crucial
I'm not even
nut.
putting this nut
Dude,
back.
honestly, yeah, fuck that shit. We'll put the top one back.
Buy some Clippy Boys or something.
Yeah. Well, so there's unboltatrons on the leftwards, and then these just like slide into a thing. So you just gotta like.
Oh, that's so simple. And Boltatrons on the leftward side. And then
Yeah,
the
slide
slidey
in.
things.
Yeah.
And just want.
Yeah. It's pretty easy. All right, now I need maximum strength mode.
You might need me for this part.
I might. I like have it out of the little clit, the little slidey inner,
Let me
but
try.
only on the top one. You smelling what I'm shitting out? Like, you understand what I'm... Is it like still clitted in somewhere? So that's where the AC lines are clipped in. I don't think it's actually bolted to anything. And I already took the AC lines out. Yeah, it's just those hard lines are just difficult. That must be why they call them hard lines.
Not good.
Because they're difficult.
Oh yeah.
They really do be those hard lines.
Go that way.
Fuck you, hard lines. Nah. That shit's... That's not it.
Shit was just toasted. Yeah, let's put it right here for safekeeping.
That's why I like you, Quinn. You're always thinking ahead.
Yeah, I try. Now I just slam it back in.
Yeah, it's just pretty easy. It's just now you just reverse the steps, really. Oh shit, it might actually be so easy.
Yeah, we loosened up the hole somehow. Oh shit, that went right in. Dude, I don't want to be close to this mess.
That's what they all say about me. It really does not help that these hard lines are right here.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking Dumbo. Here,
Yeah.
let me do something. Bolt it in, it's all good.
For real.
Aha! I've done it.
Did she go in?
Yeah.
She go in. Yeah, this fucking fan goes in though.
We've never had a better fan.
This is our #1 fan. Okay, it goes in. Now all I gotta do is find all those screws again.
Yeah, those are gone.
And we'll do something cool after this, like make some food and bullshit or something. When Chevy made this, they only put one screw in the radiator. So that's all we have to put back.
Thanks, Chevy.
Disregard the beginning of this video where we took 2 screws out. Getting a call from 213. Never heard of it. Hello?
Por ser cliente de su línea telefónica y estar al día en sus pagos, ha obtenido un bono de descuento hasta el 80% para que puedas adquirir un smartphone o una tablet de última generación. Presiona el 1 para hacer efectivo su bono.
Yeah, no, I was thinking like pork chops maybe we do for dinner. Dude, my mom's been acting weird. No fucking way. Look. Right there.
Oh,
Oh, baby! I fucking dropped it.
oh.
That means we like didn't break my girlfriend's car. Like we put it back how we intended to put it back, which is 1 bolt down, admittedly, but what is, you know, it's like IKEA furniture, cars, they all have that in common. So yeah, this is my girlfriend's 2012 Chevy Sonic, and she fucking hates this car, and she wants to get rid of it ASAP. There's a bunch of shit that we are gonna fix on it. We're gonna put new struts in front, obviously replace the battery and the terminals and shit. Ball joints. We're gonna replace like the front part of the exhaust because it rattles really bad. I think like the heat shield's all fucked and weird. There's like a bunch of shit, like little shit that we're gonna replace. And then the idea was we were gonna fix this up and sell it so that we could move like into an apartment together. But now that the Patreon thing's happened, we're probably not gonna, we're kind of like just save until we can find like a house or something like that and then move later this year. Right now the move is get this thing fixed up and sell it and then put a bunch of money into the Corolla. Pretty sick. I guess the only thing left to do really is start her up and she goes and if it does that, we're fucked. Yeah. We're gonna have to have a word with Yang Tang or whatever. Tangy Yangy. Yeah, that works. This thing goes ham, dude.
Yeah, blowing tough. Sucking tough. Oh, fuck, I wasn't even filming. Damn it. Nice.
Dude, perfect.
Dude, perfect. We should make a YouTube channel called that.
More skids, you know, we're full-time YouTubers now, you know, so we don't just work on cars, we do everything. So this is also a cooking channel now, and a Hot Wheels collection channel.
Yeah, I've been mad into Hot Wheels lately. Every time I go to Fred Meyer, I take like 30 minutes out of my shopping trip to look at every single Hot Wheel. The other night I left Fred Meyer with like $25 worth of Hot Wheels. That's 25 Hot Wheels.
Also, to test out the effectiveness of our good deed that we did today, we're gonna take my girlfriend's Sonic. We're gonna counter our good deed by the bad deed of using up all our gas. Fuck. Pretty dark out here.
Oh god, I forgot about this fucking mess.
Interesting.
That's... Maybe ground it to something else.
No, it's perfect.
I never been to this Fred Meyer.
I've never been to this Fred Meyer. I used to work at this Fred Meyer for like a year. I worked
Oh yeah.
in the deli, and it was the worst fucking year of my life. I wanted to die.
Now you don't got a job.
Well, honestly, yeah, exactly. When I was here, we like started really like getting a following on more skids, and I was like, one day I'm gonna quit this fucking job and just do YouTube. The only problem there was that I had to work at that job for a year and then work at another job for 3 years and then quit that job. So when walking in, we just walked by this like police officer that was just like full of like fucking crazy like tasers and batons and shit. And Quinn's like, they got fucking armed guards in here. And actually, when I worked here, I worked in that deli right there. Direct line of sight from the deli to that Chase Bank. I watched that bitch get robbed twice in the year that I worked here.
Really?
Really, no joke. Oh, that's sick.
This is super sick too.
Oh, that is sick.
I have one of those.
Oh no, this is the coolest one right here.
CRX.
Yeah, dude.
I'll find one.
Is that a motorbicycle?
Yeah, it's a Ducati.
A Ducati? Dude, this is sick. It's a wheelchair, dude.
I saw a video.
Wheelie chair, dude.
I saw a video of some kid in a wheelchair opening this and like crying.
Really? Dude, this one's a GoPro mount.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I guess. Imagine sending your GoPro down a fucking loopty scooper.
Yeah.
Oh yes, dude. Chevy Love. It's tubbed rear end. Oh my god.
What?
That's sick. Yeah, dude. Chevy Love drag truck. That's so dope.
I've never even seen that.
Oh.
Oh shit.
That one's sick. Here, let's
I've
see.
been looking for that one too.
It's
I'm
a
looking for
RX-7.
the RX-7 FB and the FC. Pencil pusher.
What the heck in the hell?
If I'm looking through these, because they always have like one super sick car that you want really bad, but
You have to buy the rest.
yeah.
Here, right? Or is it? Is it this one? Plain ass FD.
I always like pick out a shit ton and then at the end of my shopping I'm like, I don't need that one.
This is the sickest fucking shit ever. Yeah, you want a drink of this or?
Oh god.
Holy shit, that's sick.
That's so sick.
If this shit doesn't start, I'm gonna shit my pants. Oh
Yeah.
fucking god.
Alright guys, Hot Wheels haul time.
What have we become? Alright, we're about to go ham.
With no hand.
No ham, dude. It's a vegetarian ham session. I slapped out a vegetarian ham session yesterday. Always wash your vegetables.
I've never done that.
Always wash your vegetables. This is my bag of herb that I mixed up earlier. It's thyme, oregano, basil, garlic powder, onion powder, celery, salt, black pepper, and then a little bit of rosemary. Rosemary you want to do light. It's like way too floral.
What do you think, Steve? Reminds me of the tree I got stuck in my younger days and had the fire department come get me.
Did that really happen?
Yeah. I was climbing up and there was a tree right here and I climbed up this tree and crossed from a branch on this tree over to this tree, and as I was crossing, this branch on this tree broke and I like hung on for dear life on this tree. But that branch that I got over with from this tree was gone, so I couldn't go back. And it was just like this where it was like they cut half the tree down.
This is yellow squash, and then zucchini, and then I think this is butternut squash. Alright guys, here's the scoop. Shout out Philip Solo TV if you ain't in the know. Do that pen ribbon? Or I recommend it.
Nice.
So literally gonna just throw that in, no timer, and then start a batch of rice. And when the rice is done, that should be done.
This particular rice is a 2-to-1 ratio. I already have 2 cups of water on the stove. As it boils, I will stir this in and then cover and let simmer for 20 minutes. At which time, dinner's ready. Dinner's ready.
These are the worst deck decks though, dude. Can't even kickflip on this bitch.
Sorry.
quite good.
Well, that's good. Dinner was rad, right? Was it good?
Yeah, rad dinner. I eat it all of mine veggies.
All right. We fixed a car. We ate good food. We went and bought like 6 cars today.
Lots of new stuff coming for the FC. I mean, the FB, the R35, the Chevy Love, the FD, the pizza delivery truck. I think that's it.
We also played some Assetto Corsa. Stay tuned for Counter-Strike and Assetto Corsa live streams and shit. We did a few weeks ago and then slacked while we were like busy doing other shit. But now, should be able to stream like way more regularly now. The reason we're able to do weird ass lame videos where we make rice and fucking live stream in the middle of the day and shit like that is because we are supported by the amazing people
who you're about to see
on screen right now. The Patreon changes lives, people. If you're not a patron, yeah, just consider it, think about it, just realize what it does for us. And if you are a patron, thank you so much. We owe our dicks off to you.
Yeah, I'd take my dick off for every one of you.
If I could, I would. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for videos where we actually do cool stuff to cars. A lot of good shit coming up. Goodbye. See you in the next one.
Thank you.
Shout out to these people right here.